Italy, where the world first truly witnessed the horror of coronavirus, thousands dying and a health system overwhelmed. This photo became a symbol of Italy's struggle, so many like her continuing the fight, among them cardiologist Silvia Castelletti. Today, she's smiling, despite the bruises on her own face.
I can see that mark on your nose. Is that from where you've been wearing a mask?
Yes, sorry, I tried to hide it with the makeup. You can see that I'm happy today.
A patient of hers, once close to death, now out of danger.
Today was the first day I took him off the mask. It's for me, like a sign that things can go better.
Until then, a socially distant toast.
Va benissimo!
Germany and Spain loosening lockdowns, and in France, Notre Dame ringing its bell to honour health workers. The road to recovery will be long, but for Silvia, her patient is a symbol of hope for the future.
We are joking that when everything will finish, it will offer me a very, very nice pizza because it's from Naples. And so it will cook a real pizza for me, and I'm looking forward to it.